फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशंस, हम देखते हैं क्वेश्चंस को। फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग एक्सट्रैक्ट द बैलेंस ऑफ एक्स लिमिटेड, कैलकुलेट द कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, वो कैलकुलेट करना है कैश फ्लो फ्रॉम फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज। फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज, चलिए फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशंस में हमको गिवन है इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल क्लोजिंग 5,25,000, ओपनिंग इज a 4 lakh. It means 1,25,000 के न्यू इक्विटी शेयर्स भी कंपनी issued during the year. 10% preference share. 10% preference shares means these shareholders have a preference right for a 10% preference division over equity shares. 5,50,000 is the opening and 4 lakh is the closing. It means 1,50,000 preference share we redeem. We reverse the paisa amount, we reverse the cash amount of 1,50,000. Security premium reserve, opening is a 1 lakh, closing is a 1,25,000. It means we issue a equity share on a premium, we receive the 1,25,000 as a premium. 12% debentures, opening is 3 lakh, closing is the 4 lakh. It means 1 lakh debentures we will issue. In this above constraint, we have additional information. If additional information required, so then at that times we adjust this types of additional information. Equity share issued on 31st March 2021. It means new equity shares is not liable for the dividend. So first we write issue of proceed from equity share. From equity share. Opening balance is a 4 lakh and closing balance is a 5,25,000. It means 1,25,000 the new equity shares amount. Okay. Further informations, interim dividend on equity share was paid on 15%. If we paid interim dividend equity shares, it means first we pay a preference shares dividend. Preference share were redeemed on 31st March at a premium on 5% and paid was debited to profit and loss accounts. We redeemed the preference shares at a premium of 5%. So first things, redemptions of preference shares. Of 10% preference share at 5% premium. Amount is a opening balance is a 5,50,000 and closing balance is a 4 lakh. So we redeem in a 1,50,000 and premium 1,50,000 into 5/100. Amount is a 15,000 plus, so this one is a 7,500. Okay, so total redemptions amount is a 1,57,500 outflow because we repay. Further information, security premium. Security premium is a 1,25,000 is a inflow. It means these shares we issue on premium because closing balance is a 2,50,000 and opening balance is a 1,50,000. It means we issue these shares on a premium. Okay, now further informations, 12% debentures. So first things, 12% debenture, it means we redeem that amount. 12% debenture, it means opening balance is a 3 lakh and closing balance is a 4 lakh. It means 12% debenture issued on 1 lakh, or this amount is received. So plus this amount. Again, further informations, interim dividend on equity share paid on 15%. So interim dividend. Interim dividend amount is a opening dividend is a 4 lakh or and 1,25,000 fresh issue at the last of the year. So this one is not eligible for interim dividend. Then 4 lakh amount of interim dividend is a 15%. Then 15% we find out 4,60,000. Okay. When we paid the interim dividend, so preference dividends is also liable. Preference dividend, because preference share have a preferential right for repay of debenture over equity share. So amount of the preference shares is a 5,50,000. We redeem these shares at the end of the year. So 15%, 10% is a 55,000. We also again paid. This one is a paid interim dividend. And okay, now further informations given in the questions: equity preference, security minimum, and 12% debenture issue of face value 1 lakh on 31st March. It means so 12% debenture, interest on debenture. Interest on debenture. 1 lakh debenture redeemed at issued at the end of the year. So those debenture holder is not eligible for interest. Remaining debentures holder, it means 3 lakh. 3 lakh debentures holders is eligible for interest. Is one is a 12%, because 12% debenture, 36,000 interest. Now okay, finish. So we calculate the further calculations. Minus 1,57,000 plus 60,000, it means 2,17,500, and again 2,17,500 plus 55 plus 1,55,000, 1,15,000, and 36 also. 36, it means 51, 1,51,000. Total minus amount 0,058, 0,058, and 6, 3,68,500 is a minus amount. Now plus 1,25,000, 1,25,000, total is a 2,50,000 plus 1 lakh 3,50,000. 3,50,000 इसको हम माइनस कर देंगे तो at that time our answer is a 41,500. Okay, our answer is a 41,500 is our answer. 41,500 is our answer. This one is a minus balance, so minus balance is a 41,000. Again एक बार repeat करते once. Equity shares 4 lakh minus 5,25,000. It means new equity shares issues. Preference shares 5,50,000 minus 4 lakh. It means we redeemed 1,50,000 shares at a premium on a 15%. It means 15%, 10,000, और just wait, इसको थोड़ा सा राइट करें 15%, इट मीन्स 15%, just wait, 5% premium redeem at a 5%, right? This one is right. 7,500 is equal to 1,57,500, right? So redeem at a 5% premium, so we getting this amount 1,57,500. Security premium is a increasing amount 1,25,000. This one is right. And issue on the debentures 5 lakh, 4 lakh plus amount. Again, further information, interim dividend on equity share 4 lakh 15%, so 60,000. And we paid interim dividend. We are liable for preference shares dividend 55,000 plus 10% is the preference share dividend is a 55,000. Interest on debenture were issued at the end of the year, 3 lakh is liable, 36,000 is the interest. So this one is a cash. Minus में आंसर आ रहा है, it means cash from financing, cash use आ गया, cash use. Okay, this one is your answer. Check, we are checking the answer. This one, right answer is right. So this one is a question number 34, and thank you for this question and repeat it.